How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the reel you want to remove from your profile grid. Click on three dots at the top and then click on Remove from Main Grid. After you click on Remove from Main Grid, it will be removed from your profile grid. If you go back, you won't be able to see the reel. You will only be able to see the reel on the reel section, which is beside the grid. Then click on the reel you want to add to your main grid. Click on three dots at the right side. After that, you will find Add to Main Grid option. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, go back and you will be able to see the reel on your profile grid. And this is how to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.